Hello, this is Sammy Chapman, Business and Science Librarian at Purdue-Calumet. In this video, I want to talk about the library's homepage and show you some important links and tabs to help you access resources such as books and articles. First thing I want to point out are the links at the top of the page. You can use these links to narrow down your search results. Many times you will have thousands of results when you do a search, so these can help you focus. For instance, if you're looking for articles, you can use these links down below the Find Articles heading to just search for articles. If you want to use a book, then you can use these links below the Find Books heading to just search for books. And realize that the library has both books in paper and also electronic books. So you do not necessarily need to be in the library to use the materials that we have. The online journals link is the most important link up here because it enables you to find a specific journal. So for instance, if your professor says, I want you to find articles in the Harvard Business Review, you can use this link to look for a specific journal to find out if we have it available in electronic format. We have thousands of journals available electronically. There are many more journals available electronically than in paper. In the center of the screen, you have this large search box. I've already put some keywords in here. And then above the search box, you have these tabs. These tabs are important because they also help you narrow down your search results. The first tab, which is the Search All tab, will search the library's catalog and databases, and you will find both books and articles using that tab. So let's go ahead and do a search, and I'll show you what the results look like. I'm going to search for white collar crime and click search. Now this will find articles and books that have white collar crime as keywords to describe that item, or possibly have those words in the title. And what we see here is we have over 7,000 results using those keywords. The first items are books, and you know that by the icon here on the left. So the first item is a book, and you have a location with a call number. So this means that this book is available in paper on the shelf, and you can check it out. Number 2 here is also a book, but it's an electronic book, and you know that because it says online access. You click Find Online, and then you get a link to the Springer Books page where you can download this book as a PDF. You can download the entire book at one time, or if there's an individual chapter that you're interested in, you can download just that chapter. Springer is a good source for scholarly related materials. So here the icon is telling you that it is a reference entry. Reference entry means that it is from a reference book, so it could be a subject encyclopedia such as a business encyclopedia, or it could be a dictionary, and there's an entry there on white collar crime, and it is also electronic. So now this goes to the Britannica Encyclopedia, and these are generally pretty short, and they wouldn't be considered peer review or a research article. Here you see the word article. So this is telling you that this resource is an article. It's from the Annual Review of Sociology. It's also available online. Click Find Online, and you get a link to the JSTOR database where you can find that article available in full text. So once you click on this link, it actually takes you to a different page where you can view the article or download it as a PDF. Here we have some more books. Review, it could be a review article. Now this is actually the same article as we were looking at a minute ago, and you can tell here that it's from a peer-reviewed journal, but it's also letting you know that this is a certain type of article, that it's a review article, so it reviews other people's research on that topic as well. So this is using the Search All tab, which is the first tab, and it will find both books and articles. You can use these links at the top of the page to help you refine your search. If you're just interested in peer review articles, click this link and you just get peer-reviewed journal articles. Now these are from peer-reviewed journals. There could be articles in here that are not necessarily research-based. For instance, here this looks like this is a review type article and not a research-based article. So you want to be aware of that as well. But these icons are very useful in helping you determine the type of information that you're looking at. So I'm going to go back to the library's homepage here. And then I'm going to talk about this EBSCO search tab here. So I'm going to do the same search, white collar crime, with the EBSCO search, which will look in the EBSCO databases such as the Business Source Premier database or the PsycArticles database. So we get a similar type of results here. Notice the first item comes from a reference book. Okay, so it's an electronic entry in a reference book. The number 2 here, it says periodical. And number 3 is an academic journal. So there again, these icons are helping you distinguish between the two. This could be like this comes from the Fairfield County Business Journal, local news-related business journal. And this comes from the Journal of Financial Crime, which is an academic journal. You can see there's also links to the PDF full text here. Now, not everything with the EBSCO search will be available in full text, so there's a link here where you can check Purdue Alma for full text availability, or you can do an interlibrary loan request and we will look for it in another library, and if they have a copy they can loan it to us so that you can use it. So here it's telling you that this is not available in another database. If you would like to get this article, then you would want to use the interlibrary loan link. You can see here, this is also an academic journal article. And you have the tables and charts. It's showing you the tables and charts, and you can immediately say that this looks very different than what you would find in a newspaper or a magazine. So this is using the EBSCO search tab. Now, the PNC Books tab, you'll get a smaller set of results, and everything will be a book. Some of them will be online and some of them will be in paper. So you can see here there are 9 items available in the library. There were 17 items total. 8 of those items are electronic items, so you don't necessarily need to be in the library to use our resources. The last thing I want to talk about here is the online journals link. The online journals link allows you to find a specific journal. So for instance, if your professor says, I want you to find something from Forbes magazine or search Forbes magazine for articles, then you can easily do that by typing in the title word for something that you're looking for. Click search. You get a list of results where the word Forbes appears. Forbes magazine is number 3 here. Click on the title and you can see links to the different databases where the article is available in full text. So here you can just search within just this one publication, or if you know a year and issue number, you can select the specific publication as well. So once again, this online journals link is very useful if you're looking for a specific journal that you know may publish articles on a topic that you're interested in. So once again, the Search All tab finds both articles and books on a topic. The PNC Books tab just finds books. The EBSCO Search tab just searches the EBSCO databases such as Business Source Premier or PsycArticles. And the Online Journals link enables you to find online journals that we have electronic format for. Thank you for watching my video on the library's homepage.